Good morning, it's Abby McIntyre here. I am at our lovely listing at 206 Wessenger in the southwest end of Barrie this morning. I just wanted to show you our listing that is accepting offers tonight at 7 o'clock. We are listing this property at $8.99. And I wanted to show you around here this morning to highlight some of the features of this lovely raised bungalow at 206 Wessenger Drive. So as you can see, we've got a large driveway here, 2-car garage, enough parking for 4 cars outside and then obviously 2 inside. It's a corner lot, it's a pie lot, so lots of yard space, interlock brick as you walk towards the front entrance. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this is the entranceway. Again, we're at 206 Wessenger this morning. We're listing this property at $8.99, and it's in a great neighborhood, lots of children's schools close by. So the entranceway has a nice access to the 2-car garage, which I'll let you quickly look inside. Oh shoot, there goes the cat. And hi kitty. We'll go up the stairs here. It's well-maintained hardwood flooring and a nice cozy living room, California shutters as you can see, and a gas fireplace. This property is 1,065 square feet above grade, and total square footage is 1,870. Here's our kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of space and counter space for prepping, patio doors, and a nice sitting area with great lighting. Those are funky lights. The backyard here, I'm just gonna slide this open and hopefully the cat does not get out. The patio is 10 by 12. It's a nice deck, and there is a hot tub, which is also included. So a great space for entertaining, relaxing out in the rear. I'm just gonna turn this around here. Again, we're at 206 Wessenger today in the southwest end of Barrie, close to lots of amenities. And we're listing this, or it's on the market right now for $8.99. So as you can see, here is the front entrance closet, and then we have 2 bedrooms up on the upper level. Here's the first bedroom. Nice size, more California shutters, which is a nice touch. And closet. This property was built in 1997, so it's fairly new. We have a nice bathroom here, ceramic tiles, updated vanity, and then the master bedroom. There's the master. Nice and spacious. Lots of closet space here. And I'm just gonna swing around slowly. We have a nice ensuite, which is convenient off the master. Again, we're at 206 Wessenger today. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's no sidewalk out front, which is nice. Back to the living room area, and now we'll head back downstairs. Total square footage is 1,870. The lower level, which is, it's a raised bungalow, so the lower level is quite bright. They have some funky beams here. Lots of natural light coming in. This is limited on the lower level. Pot lights and a rec room area here. Now in the lower level there is a bedroom, and there's also a rough-in, as you can see right here, for a bathroom. So it's pretty much laid out for you. It's just a matter of doing the final touches. And then the third bedroom, more California shutters, nice and spacious. Closet. And then back out here to the utility room with updated washer and dryer. So there's lots of potential down here to do what you wish to the bathroom. If you wanted to maybe do an in-law suite down here, that could be an option. Again, we're at 206 Wessenger. Hi, Kitty. Today. And if you're interested in booking a showing, please reach out. We'd be happy to arrange that for you. And if you have any questions, give us a shout at 705-739-4455, and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.